don't know what we're gonna play today. Probably some Lil Wayne, some Millie. But just hit me up. This motherfucker's for sale. Hey, Caleb.
I'm a young money millionaire, tougher than Nigerian hair, McCrack. So illegal on the sheet of the tablet in my mind, cause I don't write shit, cause I ain't got time for my... Daughter for the motherfucker copper, got the Maserati dancing on the bridge, pussy poppin' till the copper.
This 115 sounds alright. I'll say it time and time again. I don't want nothing less than 140 decibels. So if you want to buy it, hit me up. Alright.